Hello guys, Brian here. Today, I'm actually doing a different toy unboxing and review. I'm not going to do a Jurassic World toy unboxing this time. Now, it doesn't mean that I'll completely stop doing it. I'm only going to do this one video that's not going to be about unboxing dinosaur toys. However, I'm actually going to be unboxing two other, um, like, genre of, toys that I've unboxed in the channel. Well, let's start. First of all are the Monsterverse toys, or Godzilla toys, kind of. I have two of them. One of them is the Frostvark. I don't know much about this one, and I've not really heard much about Monsterverse or Godzilla related um, things since, well, I don't really focus much on Godzilla. I mainly focus on Jurassic World, so I not really know much about Godzilla or the Monsterverse in general, but might know some things, might not. Anyways, here's the Frostvark. This is the front of the package. This is the Monsterverse one. Here you go. It says Monsterverse. We got some kaijus, and it says Monarch, Legacy of Monsters, Frostvark, and it says fully posable and articulated. And then here's the back. You can get some different other figures here. I actually have one of the 5 that are listed here. I'll show you it later, but let's go unbox the Frostvark. Now, don't get upset with me not doing a Jurassic World toy unboxing. I will do another one on the next video, but I just want to do this video because, well, you know, it's been a while since I've done a Godzilla unboxing, kinda, and also I got another type of, you know, genre toys that I have not unboxed in a while as well. Here's the Frostvark. So it has this really nice looking paint with the with this little kind of almost like a grayish color, and also blue on most of the body, and its head. I don't know where these are. These look like mandibles. And here's its mouth, its actual mouth, with those white teeth. I like the eye. And I forgot to tell you, this was made by Playmates. And Playmates makes some really good Godzilla-related toys. I mean, look at that. This little pattern here looks interesting enough. It looks cool. I like the detail of its claws, and also this tail as well too. For the articulation, you can like 360 on the neck. You can do that 360 rotation. Can kind of go up and down, but doesn't really work. Its arms can move. Ooh, this one has a 360 rotation for the front arms or forearms, and the front legs. And then here's the back legs, which can also move as well. I'm gonna guess these are like either forearms or front legs, and then these are the back legs here. And here's the tail, which can also move. It's kind of that ball joint. Overall, the Frostvark is like some sort of monster that I don't know that much. But the next Monsterverse toy, I know somewhat more. This is the Mothra figure. This is like the kind of the blue one. You can see the packaging. This time it says Godzilla King of the Monsters, because that's where Mothra first appeared in the Monsterverse trilogy. Now I think Mothra appeared in the 1960s in some sort of movie called Mothra. I don't know much about like Godzilla. I mean, I do know kind of a lot about it because well, I'll tell you this. I used to like Godzilla more than Jurassic World and dinosaurs in general. I mean, I still like Godzilla, but I actually starting to like dinosaurs a lot more. But I still like these MonsterVerse toys, these Godzilla toys, and that's why I still keep buying. That's why occasionally I'll keep buying some of them. Because they look really neat. So here's the Mothra figure. Right off the bat, this wingspan is crazy. My goodness, and the detail with these wings, not too bad. Also, you can see there's like it's kind of, I'm not sure you can see it, but it's a bit bent because I tried to kind of bent the wing a bit, and now its paint's kind of like the design is a bit ruined. But oh my gosh, I almost sneezed, but oh well. Mothra doesn't really have much paint. It's a blue color with these white little circles or ovals that are around the blue eyes, and like these little kind of mandibles with the front and these two smaller ones and the back as well, and this little thorax or abdomen. Looks really good. For articulation, unfortunately, is lackluster. It's only the wings. However, they have some good flexibility. They can go up like that, and can also rotate 360. Not bad a figure. It's just missing the forearms and maybe the back legs, and then these forearms here. They don't move. So yeah, that's Mothra and the Frostvark from the MonsterVerse line. Moving on to another genre of like toys that I have not even unboxed in a while. That is Five Nights at Freddy's. So if you didn't know, years ago, I have unboxed MonsterVerse related content and Five Nights at Freddy's related content years ago, and then like I think it's like you somewhere between 2022 and 2023 is that when I started going into mainly more Jurassic World related content. Anything related to Jurassic World, I mainly do, but this time I'm gonna go with Godzilla and Five Nights at Freddy's. So this is made by, I think it's right here, made by Jazzwares. This is the Five Nights at Freddy's Toy Bonnie. If you don't know who's Toy Bonnie, it's basically one of the animatronics that appears in one of the Five Nights at Freddy's games, the second one specifically. And if you don't know what Five Nights at Freddy is, long story short, the game is basically where you survive, you're a night guard, you try and survive animatronics from killing you, and you have a bunch of various things that can save you from getting, well, jump scared. Speaking of jump scared, these Five Nights at Freddy's toys have a jump scare feature, and also glowing eyes. I like the packaging of this. And here's the back. I have Toy Bonnie right here, and you also have one of the three characters right here. You have Toy Freddy, Toy Chica, and Mangle. Okay. Opening up the packaging. Alright, removed, and does it have any, oh, nope, it doesn't have any, little things that hold it. And here is the Toy Bonnie figure. I like the blue color. I like the blue colors with these white eyes, this face as well, and those cheeks, and you also have the bow tie as well, and a cool tail. Okay, which can come off somehow. I like the design of this. For the articulation, you can move the head. Oh, never mind. You cannot even move the head. The head is stuck in place. However, the arms you can move. You can move them like this. And the hand as well too. Not sure if you can like move them like... I think that's how you're gonna pose them like this. Maybe you can like do like 360 rotation, but it might interfere with its action feature. Its legs can move. Here's its knees, and also the foot moves as well too, or just rotating. And the action feature is if you press this button, it'll move its arms. I'm not sure if I rotate it, it might if it breaks, or I can still work it out somehow. I'm really worried that I break this thing if I like tilt this arm in another direction, because arm is like this and I want to bring it down, but so scared it might just break and then the action feature doesn't even work. I mean, it's a good one though. It's a good action feature. It's just that the worrying sensation of it just breaking is like, it's worrying me. As a matter of fact. I'm not sure if it's gonna be like that forever or not, but that's Bonnie, Toy Bonnie. He's pretty cool. And here's the last figure I'm gonna be unboxing, and this is Mangle. Let's just go into unboxing. Okay, I rip the box open like that, and then I poke it. Alright, here's Mangle. Looks like there is some strips I have to cut. And where's my scissors? There they are. They're my scissors. Oops. And then I also have these ones too. Alright, so Mangle comes out disassembled. My goodness. You can see her entire body is basically in pieces. I just saw something. I'll deal with it later. So Mangle is just all in pieces. You could just see all the parts, and now I have to figure out how to put her back together. Because if you don't know, Mangle, the just destroyed mess. This anima was basically just pulled apart a lot and put back together in these weird ways, so you can connect the pieces. Here it is. I put this endoskeleton head, which there's like a button, and if you push the button, it'll open its mouth. Here's here's a bow tie, which was connected to Mangle's main head, which also has a button as well to open the mouth. I think it was like, I don't know where it was. What the heck? This is like really difficult because there's like so many ruined pieces that just, they make no sense. I mean, it's good, but just imagine you just see this mangled corpse of just an animatronic just here. You know, I'll just build it what it looks like. It looks like I think it's basically a figure where you could just do anything. You could just make it so weird. It's just, I mean, I like the feature of just taking something apart and putting it like random. My goodness, Mangle's joints. It's hard to. It's just hard. Oh. My goodness, the joints are so difficult. Oh, and I removed her waist. I detached her waist. My goodness, this leg is so tight. It can't even, like, couldn't even click on it. Okay. There. And then let me just put his other leg on the other side. It has like 2 feet, which is interesting. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to connect the joints. See what I mean? Just you try and connect the joints without having like one just falling off. And it just becomes a challenge. Oh gosh, I need to use the box to figure out how do I put this back. Where do I put this? Put his head. What? I'm getting really confused. Just seeing this mess of endoskeleton. And also, if you're wondering if I'm a Five Nights at Freddy's fan, well, as you can see, well, yeah, I am. I mean, I feel like kids are gonna have so much fun just taking apart and putting this animatronic just together in the most weirdest and goodness craziest ways. If you've gotten this big figure before, and you've just messed with it, just playing with it, how its feet, it's just putting just its pieces back together. I would be that would be awesome. All right, let me just put this last one just on this part right here. I don't want to break its ball joints because it's necessary for them to connect. Anyways, here's Mangle. My goodness, even a huge mess of animatronic parts, it still looks really good. Make it a tripod. I honestly like that you can just put this thing, just make it all weird and put it back together and, see what happens. I like this. I like it. I mean, design-wise, it's just great. And articulation is just really good. You can just, there's this ball joints here. I mean, some of them are fixed into place. And then there's some that you can have multiple ball joints. So yeah, that's Mangle right here, and also all the other ones. So, hope you've enjoyed this, probably one of the only non-Jurassic World unboxing video. And, well, see you guys tomorrow for an actual Jurassic World unboxing. Well, like and subscribe, turn on notifications. See ya next time. Bye. And also, if you're kind of upset that I didn't do a Jurassic World video, or that's, I mean, you know what, I'm okay with that, your opinion. Or if you want me to do more of these videos, please tell me in the comments. Well, see you later.